Hey guys, I want to talk to you a bit about project-based pricing. There's hourly and there's value-based pricing, but project-based pricing is really good, especially if you're just starting out, and it's easy to do and it's better than hourly. The thing with project-based pricing is that you can set one fee, so you know the amount of money you're going to get by the end of the project. It doesn't vary if you're doing hourly, so you're not selling yourself short. You're going to have a set amount, a set fee, and that's the amount you're going to get based on the work you're going to do. Another thing you can do is that you can add more assets into your proposal. So if you're just doing a logo design, you don't just want to do that. You want to add assets. So you want to add a business card, a flyer, a poster, a t-shirt, whatever it is, as long as it aligns to the client's needs and goals and target market, then that's cool. But you can have a lot fuller project and you can charge more. You're not just going to do one thing and then charge a couple hours for that. You're going to have a full project, which is a lot better. The only problem is that you can get scope creep. So sometimes, the client will, if you don't, at the start of the beginning of the project, clearly say what you're going to do, the deliverables and the amount of revisions, then they can take advantage of that and they can try and bring scope creep, which means more deliverables might come out, or they might ask for some extra things. And because you've already price based on the project, it may be hard to negotiate and convince them, this is going to cost more, So that's another thing you have to be aware of when you're doing project-based pricing. But yeah, it's a lot easier and it's better than just do hourly. So, do project-based pricing and, you can charge more. It will train you to see from a different perspective and how to pitch and how to give your proposals and how to, win more work and get more money.